Hi guys, we are looking at chapter 16 I should say, homework, poverty and economic inequality. And so the first thing you're going to want to do is either open up the spreadsheet that I sent you on email or open it up right here on your assignment. And so in this first video I'm just going to go over setting up your spreadsheet. And once you do that, you should be able to answer these questions on your own. I don't think you're going to need my help with the questions, but you might want to watch, I want you to watch to see how to set up this spreadsheet. So this is what yours is going to look like. And when we look at the problem, we're going to fill this in with information from our problem, which is right here. So let's see what we have. So we have Tanya, who is a single mother with 3 children, and she earns $15 per hour, and she can work up to 2,000 hours per year. However, if she does not earn any income at all, she will receive government benefits totaling $30,000 a year, and for every $1 of income she earns, her level of government support will be reduced by $1. And if Tanya works, she will have to pay a babysitter $5 an hour to watch her youngest child. So we're going to use this to set up the table in our spreadsheet. So let's jump back over there and look at what we have. So the first thing you're going to want to do here is fill in your leisure hours. So the way we think about this is for there's a total of 2,000 hours she can either work or not work. And when we're not working, we're calling those leisure hours. So if she works 2,000 hours, then her leisure hours are going to be 0. So what we simply need to do here is just come into this cell C3 and put a formula in, 2,000 minus whatever is in cell B3, or in the labor hours column. I should put equals here. That's not going to work. So equals 2,000 minus whatever's in. Okay, let me just back up this. Let me just start over. Wow, you got to remember your equals sign here. So let me clear this content. So clear this out, and then put the 2,000 back here. And we'll go here and we'll say equals. There you go. Equals 2,000 minus whatever is in cell B3 or whatever is in the column for the labor hours. And then hit enter. It's like so. So you can see that if Tanya works 2,000 hours, she's going to have 0 hours of labor. And then since we have that formula in, we can just get our little black cross and drag it. And then we have all our formulas. So now you can see that if she doesn't work at all here, then she's going to have 2,000 hours of leisure. Now, we want to compute her income before paying for child care. And if we remember, her income is $15 per hour. So we just simply need to multiply the hours she works by 15. So we can just go 15, and then times is the asterisk, so shift, and it should be over the number, it should be on your keyboard over the number 8. So shift, asterisk, times, and once again, I forgot equals. Equals, wow. 15 times the number of hours that she works, enter. Okay, so if she works all that she can, she's going to earn $30,000 a year annually. And we can just simply get our little black cross and scroll. Or what I'm doing is I'm left clicking, holding, and dragging. It's like that. Now we know what her income is at these. If she works these different number of hours all the way down. Now, child care cost is going to be, let's go back and review that. Child care is she's going to have to pay a babysitter $5 an hour for every hour that she works to watch her youngest child. So our child care costs are going to be the number of hours she works times 5. So we just simply come up here to our formula bar and equals, and don't forget equals, 5 times the number of hours that she's going to work, enter, just like that. That's going to be your child care cost. Drag that. Now, next we want to know what her income is after paying for child care. Now, that's going to be her income before minus her child care cost. So we just simply come here in the cell F3, go up to our formula bar, equals, and then we click on her income before paying for child care minus her child in the E column, enter, and then we just simply click there in cell F3, find our black cross, left click and hold, drag, and we know what our income, we know what Tanya's income is after paying for child care at each of these levels of work. Now, government support. What is her government support going to be? Well, it's going to be, let's go back again, it's going to be a total of $30,000 per year minus $1 for every dollar of income that she works. Okay, so what is that going to look like? So we want to come here and we want to say, we want to click on cell G3 and then come up to our address bar or formula bar, equals 30,000, because that's what she's going to get, that's what we start with, 30000, minus then a parentheses, 1 times the amount that she's going to earn before paying for child care. So that's right here. Okay. So that goes here, parentheses, just like that. So then we just simply, so you can see that if she earns on her own $30,000, she's not going to get anything in government support at all. So we're just going to drag this all the way down to compute all of these, and you can see that if she does not work at all, then she's going to get $30,000 from the government. Okay, now we want to know what her income is going to be with government support. Okay, so her income with government support is going to be her income after paying for child care plus her government support. So we just simply come here and we do equals, and we're going to say her income after paying for child care plus government support, which in this case is in cell G3, enter, and then we just simply drag that and we have our table. Okay, let's just make sure. Let me just jump back over here and make sure that everything in there is as it should be. It is. Yep. So I'm doing it over here because because in mine, because the whole thing is lower on the spreadsheet, the formula. The cells are not the same. So anyway, this is what your table should look like. And when we come back on the next video, I'm going to show you how to create your graph down here from the table. Okay.